Hello everyone, this quick video is about start button not working in Windows 11. So let's get it fixed. Okay, so the first step is Task Manager that we need to go to. And for you to access Task Manager, you can go to search and type Task Manager either from there, or you can just hold Control Alt and Delete key on your keyboard to access Task Manager. So once you open up Task Manager, just open it up and then look for Windows Explorer, this one in here. Just right click on it and you have an option restart or end task. You can either just restart it or click on end task. So I will try the end task method. And then once you click on end task, sometimes the screen might turn to gray or black screen. If this happens, then just hold on your keyboard Control Alt and Delete and it will take you back to Task Manager. So once you go to Task Manager, open up File on the top, just click on File and go to Run New Task. This option in here, open it up and then type in there EXPLORER.EXE and make sure you select this option, create this task with administrative privilege. And then just click OK. So once you try this should fix the problem. If not, then try the next method. So the next option to try is hold the Windows key and R on your keyboard and Run will pops up. In here, you need to type this command. This command will be in the description for you. Then just click OK. And this should fix the issue with search bar. If not, then try the next method. We need to open Task Manager again. So to do that, we need to hold Control key and Alt and Delete on your keyboard. And then the black screen will pop up. Just select Task Manager. So once you got the Task Manager open again, on the top left where it says File, click on File and select Run New Task. And in here type CMD. And you must select this option, Create this task. And then just click OK. Then you need to type this command sfc/scannow. These commands all will be in the description and hit enter. This process might take some time, so you need to wait to complete. So once you try the previous command and is completed, then go back to Task Manager again and go to File and click Run New Task again, and in here type PowerShell. And select this option again and click OK. Once you got the PowerShell open, then you need to type this command and let it run. You need to wait for this command to complete. Once it's completed, then restart your laptop and check. Hopefully this should resolve the issue. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.